Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung cross-watcher ka, pwedeng maging ikaw ito at hindi si Virgo. So, pwede kang makarelate. Kumbaga, maaaring sinasabi ko si Virgo, pero maaaring ikaw yon. Okay? Or pwede rin naman, Virgo, na ikaw yung maging person dito na sinasabi natin na person ng Virgo. Okay? Kasi pwede magkapalit-palit roles. Depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, isearch mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Sa darating na December 23, magbibigay siya ng tulong na naman sa mga batang nasa bahay ampunan. So, makipag-coordinate na lang kayo sa kanya kung gusto ninyong tumulong din. Okay? And, makaka-avail din po kayo sa aking TikTok shop ng mga bracelet. May free yon na palm reading kung gusto po ninyo. Pwede nyong i-check kung gusto nyo mabigyan ko kayo ng palm reading. Okay, let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. You do have here the Lovers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So, kukuha na lang ako ng isa pang card. Okay. Two of Cups. Wait lang, bibitinin lang kita saglit kasi kukuha lang ako saglit ng tubig na uuhaw ako. Wait lang ha. Okay, I'm back. Okay. So, napakaganda nitong reading nito. Nararamdaman na natin yung kasayahan mo na dadating sa'yo dahil may tao na sasabihin sa'yo ang totoo regarding sa kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. And I feel like this person, there's a relationship na naghihintay para sa inyong dalawa. Yan, this will be loud and clear. Maybe in the past, hindi naging masyadong malinaw sa'yo kung anong intensyon, kung anong nararamdaman, kung anong emosyon, kung anong gustong sabihin nitong taong to. Lagi nilang kailangan pakiramdaman mo siya. Lagi nilang may question mark sa'yo kung ano yung gusto niya talaga. But eventually, this person with the Knight of Wands is going to tell you the truth. Susugod talaga tong taong to. The Lovers is here. This is like a wish fulfillment. Ito yung relasyon na parang gusto mo, pinangarap mo, pinagdasal mo. Ito na yon, darating na sa'yo. The Two of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. And there's this Hierophant. So, ito po yung energy ng person na parang hindi lang siya a very traditional person, no? Hindi lang siya makikipagrelasyon na ganun-ganun lang. Or hindi lang siya magsasalita ng ganun-ganun lang. Gusto niya ng relationship. Gusto niya ng pagsasama. This person with the King of Wands, alam mo sa lahat ng card, the King of Wands is someone na being honest, loyal, sa kung ano man talaga yung intention niya, talagang sasabihin niya ito sa'yo. Yeah, and this is coming in the future for you, Virgo. The High Priestess is here. This is a soulmate energy. Okay, this is a soulmate energy. So, alamin natin. Tell me about this person. Tell me about this person. For Virgo, please. For Virgo. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. What about this person? Yeah, the Ten of Swords is here. And you do have here the Three of Cups. Okay, okay. You do have here the Hierophant. So, I told you, itong person ito very traditional. And at the bottom of the deck, you do have here the Page of Cups. Okay. So, itong taong ito, nakita natin yung pagbabago niya, no? Hindi siya ganito dati. Nakikita natin in the near future, dadating siya sa buhay mo nang ready na siya, na bago na siya sa kung ano yung mga dapat baguhin sa buhay niya. With the Ten of Swords, some kind of ending ang mangyayari dito sa person na to or gagawin itong person na to. I feel like this is another relationship na gagawin or mangyayari dito sa person na ito para punta siya or ma-reveal niya ang totoo sa'yo. The Three of Cups, this is reconciliation, this is dating, this is celebration kasama tong taong to. At mangyayari yon after this Ten of Swords. Meron siyang i-end muna sa buhay niya. Nasabi ko nga sa'yo, this could be a situation, a relationship with someone na maaring nakakaramdam tayo ng energy ng pagtatraidor, nakakaramdam tayo doon ng energy na hindi magandang connection with the past. So, this person, i-reveal niya ang totoo sa'yo. And with the Hierophant, I feel like the universe is leading this person to you. Kumbaga, natatrap siya eh. Bakit? Kasi, everything na gawin niya or puntahan niya ay laging nagpapaalala sa'yo. Kumbaga, maybe in the past, tinry niyang mag-focus muna doon sa relationship na yon in the past. Maybe in the past, tinry niyang lumayo or umiwas. Pero natatrap lang siya eh. Kasi kahit anong gawin niya, laging papunta sa'yo. Laging ang energy is naaalala ka. Alam mo yon. And tell me about this ending for this person. Tell me about this ending for this person. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo. Tell me about this ending for the sign of Virgo. Tell me about this ending for the sign of Virgo. One more card. Okay. Thank you, Spirit guides, angel guides. Okay, for the sign of Virgo, you do have here the Knight of Cups. That Nine of Pentacles. The Magician is at the bottom of the deck. Wait lang guys ha. Iinom lang ulit ako ng tubig. Okay. So, itong person na ito is actually there's this feeling na mag-o-offer or lalapit or gagawa siya ng action once na ikaw ay already successful. Okay, this person in the past is coming back, hindi dahil successful ka, that is not the reason kung bakit babalik siya. Dahil nakita niya successful ka na, babalik na siya, hindi ganon. Hindi yun yung nakita niya. Okay? Maybe because you have learned to love yourself. Dahil natutunan mong mahalin ang sarili mo. Natutunan mong ibigay yung pagmamahal na yan, yung pagte-treasure, pagpapahalaga na yan sa sarili mo. Na-attract mo yung love na para talaga sa'yo. Okay? Ganun yung feeling eh. Hindi yung dahil naging mayaman ka, naging successful ka. Hindi naman dahil sa pera yung nakita niya sa'yo. But rather, 'di ba? Yung mga lesson na dapat mo ring matutunan sa buhay mo, natutunan mo na. And eto na yon, na-attract mo na yung real love for you dahil natutunan mong i-accept yung mga dapat mong i-accept sa sarili mo. You are proud of who you are right now. You are proud kung ano yung nangyari sa'yo, kung anong naging ka ngayon, kung ano ka na ngayon. Naging proud ka na ngayon. And then now you are here focusing sa mga dadating pa sa buhay mo na success sa buhay mo. And because of this, may taong babalik sa'yo. And this person with the Magician energy is ready na i-explore yung future. Very excited kind of energy from this person. Excited na siyang maging kapareha Okay? Kapareha mo. I feel like there's this connection sa inyo na meron kayong mga changes na kailangan gawin sa mundo. I don't know about this, but for some of you, this is a twin flame connection. Kasi usually ganon, pag sinabi nating twin flame connection, mga napiling connection lang yun eh. Na kaya yun ganon naging kahirap dahil may ah, mga changes sila dapat gawin sa mundo. It's like that's their purpose. And mas magagampanan nila yung purpose nila pag nagkaroon ng pagsasama sa kanila. So, there's this person na babalik sa buhay mo para tulungan kang gawin kung ano yung purpose nyo talaga sa mundo. Wow. This is truly blessed and powerful couple energy. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for you, Virgo? In the near future for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. In the near future for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgo. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo. For the sign of Virgo, please. In the near future for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos, you do have your healing, renewal, family is here, and you do have here trust and divine time. Okay, and you do have here at the bottom of the deck change. So, I feel like in the near future, there's this feeling na someone in the past ay babalik sa buhay mo. And can you see it's like a mirror kind of energy. It's a mirror. So, for some of you, this is a twin flame connection. Na makiklear mo na, matatanggal mo na yung mga dapat tanggalin sa buhay niya at sa buhay mo. And once na mangyari na ito, there's this pagbabalik mula dito sa taong to. And I'm seeing an energy of someone here na mahilig sa maybe kakaibang accessories or maybe a ring na medyo malaki, like kung ano tong mga suot ko. Yan, something na ganyan, may mga malalaki. Or maybe you are wearing a ring on your index finger. Ito, yung katulad nito. Yan, lagi ka may suot na ring. Or kung hindi man dito sa particular na ito, maybe just a ring na malaki siya. Okay, maybe you do have that ring. And, or kung hindi man para sa'yo, maybe a gift to someone na binili mo, na ikaw yung bumili. And, yeah, that this could be a reading. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din. Okay, kung hindi, it's just an additional sign. And then, nakikita natin yan. Nakikita natin yung energy ng home. Yan, dito. So, this is like a soulmate. This is the one for you. This is the one na you will build a family, a future together. Yung family, hindi natin sinasabing kailangan kadugo eh. 'Di ba? Ito yung someone na pwedeng kasama lang. May love na, alam mo yon, yung parang, maybe there's this situation for some of you. You will be dealing with this single mom and single dad energy. Okay, so pwedeng may baby, may anak, or mga children na hindi mo anak pero matututunan mong mahalin na parang tunay na anak. And then vice versa. Same din sa energy niya. And then there's this commitment in the future for the both of you. And yeah, someone here might be married already, or maybe But, I feel like yung kung may marriage man in the past, hindi siya ganon kaayos. Okay, hindi siya ganon kaayos. And then, this is going to be like a relationship na magiging mas maayos para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And there's this pagbabalik ng mainit na connection in the near future for the both of you. Yan. Trust is here. Kailangan mo lang magtiwala. Might be natagalan kung ano mang meron dito sa connection na ito, pero matagal talaga, lalo na kung may mga bagay na kailangan baguhin muna. And yeah, this person is coming back in your life. Okay? And this is the one for you. What will be the challenge in the near future for the sign of Virgo? Ano yung challenge dito? You do have here the Three of Swords and the Moon. There's this third party situation here. Ito yung challenge eh. Either there's a third party na parang either masisekretuhan or hindi masasabi yung totoo agad-agad, like magiging secret kung ano man itong connection na ito. That there's this third person na pwedeng. Pero alam mo, it's like this third person, kailangan lang talaga siya dumating sa buhay mo or buhay ng person mo para matutunan ninyong mas pahalagahan yung connection ninyo or makita nyo yung mga differences ng connection na ito at sa connection na meron sa inyo. I feel like yung connection ninyo is very special. And then there's this third party, maybe even marriage. Kasi with the Knight of Pentacles, I see this as a contract, like a marriage contract for some of you. So, pwedeng may marriage na involved dito. But there's a lot of responsibility na involved. And I feel like, yeah, there's this family. Medyo magiging challenging para sa iba. But some of you, kailangan gumawa ng decision. And kung sa side yun ng person mo, guys, sabihin na natin, maybe both of you. I cannot tell. Honestly, hindi ko masabi. Kung nasa side mo yon, you need to make a decision. Kung nasa side yun ng person mo, I'm sorry to say, medyo hindi siya kasing tanga mo. Kasi once na makita niya na niloloko siya, na pinagsisikratahan siya, na pinagtarantaduhan siya, madali siyang magdesisyon. Maybe you are the kind of person na medyo mahirap magdesisyon pagdating sa ganito, but your person, iba siya. So, once na dumating or ma-realize ng person mo yung mga pagkakamali ng kapartner niya or ng person na kakonect niya, babalik agad siya sa'yo. Madali siyang magdesisyon. Thank you for watching, guys. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.